Every 3 minutes.
3 minutes na ba?
Oh. You forgot how? I'll show you one. So here, take this edge, this one here, cut this one, cut here, and then, oops, I forgot to cut this.
Both end and
Both end. And if that thing doesn't work, this is how you do it. Like a scissor. Right? There you go. Let's open this one. Presto. I'll go again. This edge. The end pala. And then here. Just break it. And then. Ah!
again. Did it work? No.
Kukunin ko na dapat lahat ng crab eh. Eh may pumila sa likod ko. Kasi sa crayfish na lang lahat.
Wash and then get a new food later.
Wipe it down first so it doesn't get sticky. Yung bantay sa ano, sa crab. Ay, oh, tapos na to. Nakalagay ko lang ah. Ito, okay na to. Ito solid to. This one solid to. Oo, di ba? Oh, ayan oh. So, ay. Ayos na yun. Putol ba?
Wala na?
Ayun oh. I-aim na. Press mo lang to.